Now children, let us see the respiratory system. The respiratory system of leech is, there is no proper organ for that, only respiratory organ is skin. Through the skin only the leech respires in the form of diffusion. What's the meaning of diffusion? அப்படியே பரவுதுன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க பாருங்கள். சப்போஸ் இப்போ போர் த லிக்விட் தண்ணியை கீழே கொட்டிட்டிங்கன்னா அப்படியே இது ஸ்ப்ரெட் ஆகும். ஸோ அது போல் ஸ்ப்ரெட் ஆகிறதா என்ன சொல்கிறோம்? டிஃப்யூஷன். பிகாஸ் லீச் லீவ்ஸ் இன் த fresh waters, so it is the form of diffusion only. Oxygen dissolved in the water can be diffused into the skin, and carbon dioxide is liberated out through the skin only. This is expelled out through the skin. This is because skin is the organ of respiration. Through the skin, through the diffused method, the oxygen enters and carbon dioxide diffuses out. So whatever it may be, it is the form of diffusion. So what is respiration? It is the exchange of gases. Here oxygen and carbon dioxide, two gases. It's quite common for all living organisms. Next to the respiratory system, we have to see circulatory system. Circulatory system. If you see for the higher animals, circulatory system is a big network, but here the circulatory system, because it's unicellular, that is it belongs to invertebrate, circulatory system is very simple only. So here whatever it is, it has the blue red color blood. It is also cold blooded animal. It has hemoglobin in its blood. You know, hemoglobin is the pigment which gives red color to the blood. Here there is no proper blood vessels, only capillaries is the blood vessel. You know, we have studied already what are the blood vessels, arteries, veins and capillaries. So arteries, veins and are biggest blood vessels, but here there is no arteries and veins, only capillaries are there. They are tiny structures, they join together and they are collected it is in the form of liquid. The capillaries, the blood circulatory system, it comes in the form of that also by diffusion only. Totally it has four canals or 4 channels. The circulatory system takes place by 4 channels. All the 4 channels are connected with each other. Throughout the body it can be connected. So all the 4 channels are connected in 26th segment. The blood is otherwise known as hemocholic fluid because in the liquid condition only it is. So respiratory system we have seen, it's the simplest one. Circulatory system also, there is no proper blood vessels, only capillaries are there. Capillaries, how many capillaries otherwise known as channels? How many channels are there? 4 channels only here. The 4 channels are interconnected. They are all connected together in the 26th segment. We have seen in the previous classes how many segments are there? 33 segments. So next to the circulatory system, we have seen the respiratory, circulatory, and next one you have to see nervous system. The unit of nervous system is neuron, but here there is no neuron. Instead of neuron, there is a small structure that is nerve ring. What is there first? Nerve ring. Nerve ring and a pair of ventral cord. This is invertebrate. So not well developed. So nerve ring is there. The nerve ring is connected with the ventral cord. The ventral cord reaches till the 33 segments. So there are many, the nerves are joined together. So they are suprapharyngeal ganglion, and sub So, we have seen respiratory system, here by diffusion, respiratory organ is skin. Then circulatory system, there are 4 channels. Through the 4 channels, the blood is circulated. Hemochloic fluid, that is hemoglobin is there to give the red color to the blood. And nervous system, we have nerve ring. Nerve ring started with the pair of ventral cord. Ventral cord is there. There are 2. How many ventral cords are there? 2 ventral cords. They are joined together and known as supra. You can run like this: supra-pharyngeal ganglia and subpharyngeal ganglia. So these are connected together. This is nervous system. So nervous system, it carries the message. So what are the systems we have seen now? Digestive system. Next to digestive, respiratory. Next to respiratory system, circular system, and the nervous system. Now we have to see excretory system. Excretory system. This is, so all the metabolic activities occur in the body of leech, and whatever the thing, waste materials we said no, that can be carried through the, it comes out through the excretory system only. Generally nephron is the unit of excretory system. Here there is no nephron, nephridiophore. So excretory system, there is through the nephridiophore there is a small holes. So through the dots, the excess thing is let out through the excretory system. Nephridiophores are there to function, to carry out the excretory system properly. Here there are 17 pair of nephridias. How many pairs there? 17 pairs. So 17 pair of nephridias there. So nephridia is the main organ. So from the nephridia, there is a small holes present in that is nephridiophore. How many pair of nephridiophore? These 17 pair of nephridiophore. So through they are digested. After that we have seen digested food is taken out into energy, and finally it is let out through the excretory system. Okay, excretory system, what are the things there? Nephridiophore is the main organ. The nephridiophore we can have the small pores, that is nephridiophore. 17 pair of nephridias are there. Totally we have seen all the system of, generally what are the system, organ system I say, they are connected together. What are the organs present to do the function? They are together known as respiratory system. Here what is the organ system? Respiratory system. Here skin is the main organ. The circulatory system, capillaries is the main organ. And hemoglobin is present in the, to give red color to the blood. The nervous system, this nerve ring and a pair of ventral cord, they both are the important thing. The ventral cord is known as suprapharyngeal ganglion and subpharyngeal ganglion. And excretory system, nephridia is there. Nephridiophore, there is 17 pair of nephridiophore there. Then next we have to see the last one, that is reproductive system. Already I said the leech is hermaphrodite. Hermo means what I said? That is both male and female organ, sex organs are present in the same animal. If it is present in the same animal, it is known as hermaphrodite. So leech is the hermaphrodite animal. It is hermaphrodite. Male and female both are present in that. Let us see together. So there is 11 pair of testes. The main organ is testes. For the male, what's the main reproductive organ? Testes. How many pair of testes are there? 11 pair of testes. So they connected in the segments. What are the segments they are connected? 12 and 12 to 22 segments. These 11 pair of testes are found in the segments of 12 and 22. The testes connected to the sacs. The testes are connected into the sacs. The sacs are known as sacs. You know what is it? It's a bag-like structure. The sacs are connected together and become vas deferens. Then they entered into the sperm vesicle. The sperm vesicle, sperm from the sperm ejected through genital. So I said which is the main organ of reproductive system in the male? Testes. There are 11 pair of testes are there. They are entered into the sac. The sacs are joined together and they are known as vas efferents. The vas efferents enters into the sperm vesicle. Here the sperm is present in that sperm, the testes, sperm, this and all mainly for the male reproductive only. Then they ejected means what? The sperms ejected into the pineal sac. Pineal is the other organ, and from the pineal sac it into the genital pore. From the genital pore, the reproduction takes, it goes to the female organ. Okay, yeah. So because both are present in the same only, so there is no botheration about the thing. Is it clear? What are the main organs? Testes, sperm, and then what? Penis. So 11 pair of testes are there. It develops to sac. The sac joined together and it's known as vas efferents. The vas efferents enters into the sperm vesicle. From the thing, sperm is released. The sperm is ejected into the pineal sac and then genital pore. The same like female reproductive system. We have seen male reproductive now. Now we have to see female. The female reproductive system. What are the things present in that? Ovaries, oviducts, vagina. Here we have seen 11 pair of testes are there, but here only one pair. One pair of ovaries. Ovaries elongated. Oviducts, from the oviducts it goes to the vagina. It is the genital pore. This can be present in the 11th segment. Oviducts join together and enters into the vagina. The vagina is found in the 11th segment. Female reproductive system is simpler when compared with the male. Here we have seen what are the main organs: testis, sperm, and then pineal, that is penis. Here only one pair of ovaries. Ovaries extend into oviducts. From the oviducts it go to vagina. The gametes are released and they fuse together. This is internal fusion. And next we have to see what are the adaptations. Adaptation means changing themselves, making some extra thing present in the body according to the atmosphere, according to the habitat where it lives. Here what are the adaptation of it? It is fertilization is internal, I said. Fertilization what? Fusion of male and female gamete is known as fertilization. Here it is internal. Because both the 6 organs are present in the same. This is hermaphrodite. So they form, there is gametes fused together and they form the egg, that is known as what? That is stored in the egg case. The fertilization takes place, it's stored in the egg case. It's not clear here, let me write here. Egg case, and the egg case is otherwise known as cocoon. So reproduction takes place like this. That egg case is known as cocoon. I said it's nothing else. We can write either egg case or cocoon. Then what are the parasitic adaptations of leech that we have to see? It's sucking blood. So it has suckers. What are the adaptation according to the food habit as well as the habitat? It has the suckers because the liquid food only it takes, that is blood, so it has pair of suckers. It has pair of suckers. This is the first adaptation. So by using the suckers, they attach the animal. I said already very clearly how it makes the thing. It makes a cut, through the cut only it sucks the blood from that. So it attaches the animal. The sucker make the thing to attach the animal. There are 3 jaws, I said. The 3 jaws, papillary teeth are there. There is in the salivary glands, there is a protein, that is hyaridin. This makes the blood not to goggle, that is the blood is in the liquid condition only, so it can easily suck from the organisms. These are the adaptations, helps the leech to lead its life. So we have seen the invertebrate animal, all the systems of animal, that habitat, and what are how the body structure, what is the morphology. Morphology, what is it? External structure of the animal, we have seen morphology. Then we have to go for anatomy, what are the internal organs we have seen, and what are the systems present in that, respiratory, digestive system, and excretory, nervous system, male reproductive, female reproductive, and finally what are the adaptations seen. So we have completed the invertebrate. Next class we have to go for vertebrate animal, that is rabbit.